Today we're covering two-tone driveway designs, color combinations that work. Here's what you need to know. Explore two-tone concrete driveway designs and color combinations that boost curb appeal. Learn cost, installation, and design best practices. Quick answer. Two-tone concrete driveways cost $7 to $15 per square foot, $4,500 to $12,000 for a standard driveway, and combine two contrasting colors or finishes to boost curb appeal. Top combinations include charcoal gray, dark gray tan, and chocolate brown ivory. Properly sealed two-tone driveways last 25 to 30 years with minimal maintenance. Two-tone concrete driveways have become a popular way for homeowners across North Carolina to enhance their property's curb appeal without the expense of full-scale landscape or exterior renovation. By combining two contrasting colors, textures, or finishes on a single driveway surface, homeowners create visual interest and define their home's entry point in a way that standard gray concrete cannot achieve. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of five-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in decorative concrete finishes, including two-tone designs that transform ordinary driveways into distinctive architectural features. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor upfront, protecting you from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of five-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in decorative concrete finishes, including two-tone designs that combine contrasting colors, patterns, and textures to create visual interest and boost property value. Two-tone driveways typically add 3 to 8 per square foot above standard concrete, depending on pattern complexity and color selection. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor upfront. A typical two-tone driveway project costs $4,500 to $12,000 for a standard 600 to 900 square foot residential driveway. Two-tone finishes are durable when properly sealed and maintained, lasting 25 to 30 years with minimal repairs. Moving on to what is a two-tone concrete driveway. A two-tone concrete driveway combines two contrasting colors, finishes, or textures on the same surface to create visual depth and architectural interest. This design approach moves beyond standard gray concrete by introducing color variation, pattern definition, or textural contrast that complements your home's exterior and landscape. Two-tone designs are purely decorative and do not affect the structural durability or load-bearing capacity of the concrete. Common two-tone approaches include border design. A contrasting colored border frames the main driveway field, creating a frame-within-frame effect. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.